recording in the background to make sure that this is here. Freaking yeah, that's gonna be on the file.
Freaking
yeah. So you'll be given a star map of constellations and a sheet of constellation illustrations. You can refer to the illustrations to identify the constellations on the star map and draw the lines to connect the stars and make constellations. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't know constellations, but okay. So I feel like this is gonna be like the geometry all over again.
Yeah, but this time it's not really solving a problem. It's more like, well, draw what you think looks like the unicorn. What you think would be draw what you think would be the constellation for the unicorn that we have.
You almost said and then you were like, wait, no, take it back.
Oh no, there is a unicorn.
Oh.
No, I purposely said unicorn because there's literally a unicorn.
Oh, I thought you were basically insinuating that I'm ridiculous.
No, it's right there.
Oh, hi, unicorn.
Sorry, my brightness is. Come on. Brightness. What's up with this thing?
It looks like it's in nighttime mode.
It is in nighttime mode, but like I should be able to bring up the brightness. It's been itself lately. Where's my battery? Here you are. There we go. Because I'm using the stylus, I have to actually use the button on the screen, which is annoying. But yeah. So please take your time and try to make the best fit for the constellation. A constellation may have stars that stick off a little off from the illustration, which is totally fine. That is very similar to how the ancient people saw the stars.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Are they all going to be in the same general orientation / order as that picture you gave me? Like, are they all going to be there in relation to each other?
They are all in the same exact tilt.
Okay.
As how they are on the screen. So you don't have to rotate anything. They should be in the same exact tilt. So during the task, could you please speak out loud what you're thinking, any questions you have about the game and confusions, and if you want reasons, if you want, but and also like the reason behind your decision, like why you let it not lean it, but why you put it in this area. Basically think out loud on your thought process, and that's it. Do you remember how to use the pen?
Yes.
Okay. So what I forgot to tell you was how to save it. So when it says screen sketch, you just need to save it.
Okay.
Yeah, because
that here anyway. Right?
Yeah. So like when you switch back and forth, just save it so that you don't. So that I at least have like the drafts and whatever. So here's my computer. Do you want to sit on the pillow? You tried English. It didn't work too well. Wait. This might be easier.
Oh, yay.
I forgot that it does this because I never use it. You could also tilt it up, like, if you prefer vertical. But I don't think that... No. So let's go to... This is your star map.
Okay.
So...
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you're gonna start going to drawing mode, just...
Is your thing still recording me?
Just your voice.
Okay, so don't say anything stupid.
Who, me?
Me.
Well, depends. I mean, like, your questions aren't stupid, but if you got about me cursing every 5 seconds, it's gonna be stupid on this.
My stomach just made a noise. Sorry about that. Right?
Nobody heard it.
The computer might have heard it.
It might have vibrated. I've been watching a lot of science videos and it gives me a headache when I keep watching videos on evolution.
This looks...
That's recorded now.
The first thing I think looking at this is, you remember in Shrek when Shrek is trying to show Donkey
Donkey, isn't it Fiona?
No, he's showing Donkey.
Oh, yeah.
Fiona is spying. He's trying to show Donkey the constellation. And Donkey's like, man, it just looks like a bunch of dots. That's what I feel like right now. That's what I feel like right now.
I thought it was a romantic moment with Fiona. That's why I keep thinking, like, wasn't going like, oh, yeah, because they had 2 moments of it. They had one where he was like, great, whatever the gray who farted and whatever. So it's like two moments. That's why I got confused.
I feel like Donkey right now. Okie dokie. It's the easiest thing to start with. None of them are easy.
Well, the easiest one I'd say you could start with is this guy. This guy is Orion, so you might actually recognize him. Yeah, I don't even know why I started talking.
Still looks like a bunch of dots. I'm looking for something that seems somewhat familiar and I ain't getting nothing.
At least the tilts are all the same.
There's a small doggo and a big doggo.
I drew those doggos.
You drew the doggos?
Yeah.
Doggos!
And I drew the bull.
Oh.
My teammate did the unicorn and the rabbit and the twins. And Orion. She's way better at people than I am because I kind of just gave up on the faces after a while.
Every time I see the bunny, I think of how there's bunnies on the moon.
Or how there's bunnies on campus.
Bunnies on the moon.
Okay.
It's like...
You do realize this is all recorded.
Yeah.
I don't think you care anymore.
Nope. You said speak my thought process. This is my thought process.
Bunnies on moon. Where's the moon in this photo? You would just circle the moon. You would just circle the moon and it was like, the Lepus is here.
I mean, it's not the man on the moon. It's the bunnies on the moon.
Lepus is a rabbit.
Okay.
Sorry, because they're Greek names. I've been learning the Greek names.
I don't know Greek. Okay. We'll see how this goes. Maybe we'll start with the bunny. No. Yes. No. Rabbit. That kind of looks like a dude's foot. Maybe. Who are the children? Who are the children?
They're twins.
But who are they?
Just twins.
Just twins.
They white people. Like, that's what generic twins look like on the internet. They just white people.
But is it?
I swear, this isn't the recording. It's gonna be the most ridiculous shit.
Yeah, but
how do we do the mind mapping? Well, twins are just white people.
I don't like this. Maybe that's Chariot?
I actually don't remember the rest of them.
Okay, I'm gonna start drawing things. That's a pen. Screen sketch. Oh, I can't go back and look at the thing. I can't go back and look at the thing. I'm assuming that this is like a dude. On the chariot. How do I save again? This thing? What do I save this as? Where do I save this as? I'm just gonna save it as that. That works. Oh yeah. If I exit, is it gonna get mad at me?
Oh, you drew it?
I drew a thing. I drew something.
Okay. What are you gonna call that? The guy in the chariot?
Yeah.
You could put like CH on it.
Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna write something else.
The guy who's holding a goat. Swing low. So I'm gonna let you sit with that. I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let you sit with that. Did you save it?
I did. I saved the original one and then I wrote.
Oh yeah.
I wrote.
Wait, you saved the original one?
Yeah, that's
that
one.
Let's close this shit. Because it's already saved, yeah?
Before I wrote swing low, yeah. Sure. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know it's acting like that. It keeps doing things as save as. I just live this life. I can't do anything.
Swing low, sweet chariot. Come forth, carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. I swear, if anybody else has to hear this, they're gonna be so done with me. Because I'm already kind of done with me. Okay. Okay. Aaliyah. Aaliyah. How do I do the thing where I find the thing that I already drew on?
I wonder if we can. Wait, did it work last time?
Philly D. Hi, Philly D.
Yeah. Resume previous sketch.
Oh,
there we go.
Okay.
I'm figuring it out with you. Don't worry. I don't use this function. So.
I'm gonna take this as the bull's horns and this as his face. And that's a body. Sure. And that's the hoof thing. Great at drawing here, friends. Great. Bull that kind of looks like a bunny with one spider arm.
What's that?
The bull.
What ball?
Bull.
Bull?
Bull.
Oh, bull.
But it kind of looks like a bunny with one spider leg.
I legit thought that was a bunny and you put ball next to it. That's why I was like, so Kelly, I think we're gonna need to talk about it. Why did you choose that one?
This thing looks like the little hoof thing.
Okay.
This is supposed to be the...
Wait, why'd you choose the chariot one? I forgot.
Huh?
Why'd you choose this for the chariot?
This kind of looked like the line,
I see.
Yeah, and it had I figured the bright one would be something important, like a person.
I see.
This is supposed to be the horns, made lines, so I figured, yeah.
Aren't you glad I just asked you to come here and draw?
I want to say this is the unicorn. I'm going to say that's the unicorn.
You really going into, sketch mode for drawing a unicorn.
I don't know how to draw a unicorn. Save. Save that. Save. Yes. Okay. let me off the thing so I can look at the unicorn. Okie dokie.
I'm really only going to the pizza thing because some of my friends said they were going to the pizza thing.
Where's the thing?
During senior week.
No, it's this thing.
Where's what
the
thing?
last one?
Oh, the clock thing right there.
Clock. Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
This is gonna be the rest of its very misshapen body. Oh. That doesn't like me. Oh well. Unicorn. You got me when I'm in a weird mood. So sorry about that. Oh, I didn't sign up for any of the senior week things, cause.
Huh?
I didn't sign up for any of the senior week things, cause.
I'm only doing the pizza, and then I'm going shopping, cause my parents are supposed to get here the Saturday. Also, guess what? Mine has no tickets. Mine is unlimited tickets. Unlimited as long as I'm not bringing like 25 people.
Oh my god.
I was so happy when I found out.
Where does
George R. Martin's gonna release his new book in November.
Oh.
What happened?
I was like, where does the small doggo go? Small doggo, big doggo. Small doggo, big doggo. Draw, 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 draw. I'm gonna say that this is the small doggo.
Can't wait to wash my hair.
None of this. Oh, small doggo. I only put the small doggo there because I couldn't figure out where the small doggo was actually supposed to go based on the things, but I knew it was like where it was in relative to the unicorn. So I figured the small doggo needed to go close to its friend the unicorn. Okay, I'm gonna go for the man with the club. Ah. Man with the club, man with the club. Okay, the club seems like it matters, so it'll hopefully have a thing. Draw. Draw. Last one. So man with the club, man with the club. He has 2 legs, a club, and a lion's head. I assume that's the club. This is his head. That's his body, so his arm goes to the club. And he has legs and more legs. He looks scary.
Who?
The man with the club. The way I drew him. And a lion's head.
Why do you think it's supposed to look like that?
Well, I know he has to have legs.
So that means there's a lot of stars that can go into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And again, the bright one I figured is his head, and there was like a line of dots here. which I figured could be the club.
Okay.
So.
What are you gonna name this guy? Clubman.
Oh, I wasn't going for. I was gonna go.
Something with puns.
Man with lion's head.
Did you just call this small doggo?
Yes.
The levels. I don't see any of the stars on it. Or did you accidentally draw the lines on the stars for small doggo? Okay.
Okay. Okay, now we have twins, a big doggo, and a bunny. Okay. We're gonna go for the twins, because they're weird, and I feel like they shouldn't be that hard, but there's, like, not that much here.
Should we get our nails done during finals? What the fuck is the name?
Senior week?
Yeah.
I haven't had my nails done since elementary school.
Oh.
It's weird, because, like, my nails grow fast, and I'm so used to having to cut them. Okay, we're gonna go for the big doggo. Because...
Doggo grande. Arrgh.
Big doggo, you matter to me, so... Okay, this kind of looks like a tail. I mean a leg, and that kind of looks like a tail. And I think this thing over here is his head. I'm not really quite sure where his body goes, or where his other leg goes. But I think that's his head, because that looks like a tail, and that looks like a... leg. So... Big Pupper. We'll call him Big Pupper. And I'm just assuming this has to be a bunny. I am not good at trying to draw a...
What are you trying to draw right now?
The bunny.
The bunny?
The bunny.
You trying not to make it look just like the bull? I'm not even saying anything. So Big Pupper, you decided that that big one would be its eyes?
Yeah.
You sure?
No. But I thought I had to symbolize his head in some way. My main thing was, like, this thing I drew over it. It's a tail. Like, it looked like a tail, and this one looked like a leg.
Mm-hmm.
So I figured this had to be his head, and his body was somewhere in the middle.
Okay.
The only other big thing left is, like, the bunny. So I figured that big clump of stars had to be the bunny.
Okay.
And now I don't know where the two giblets go. I mean, this could be, like, the weird arrow thing that they hold. Even though, like, you know, children shouldn't be holding arrows, but...
Why children arrows?
He held an arrow, and it looked like a lion, so...
Okay.
Gemini.
Is that all of them?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So we have a bull that looks like a bunny. Swing low.
Sweet chariot. Coming forth to carry you home.
But I am home. A unicorn.
I was very amazed by the fact that you separated the uni and the corn.
Thank you.
Even though you had room to write the entire
unicorn.
It's not just corn. It's a unicorn.
Yep.
I am so done with this life.
I have a small doggo and a big pupper. A man with lion's head. An usagi. And Gemini.
What?
Are you done with me?
I'm not done with you. I'm just like trying to mentally deal with certain things. Like my exams got moved around. I had 3 in a row and then they got moved around.
Oh.
So I have to send an email telling one of my professors that, yeah, I asked you to move it. Can we still move it? Have to send that reminder email. And then my other professor was just like, hey, can we move our exam to Monday instead of Friday night? We in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Because our class is basically one graduate student and everyone else is undergrad, but it has 2 numbers. And for some reason, they made the exam numbers have different dates.
Because they're dumb.
Yeah.
Question.
Yes.
Can I look at the answer sheet now?
Yes, you can. So, did I surprise you? You got the dog right.
That's some bullshit.
How on earth did you get the dog in the rabbit?
I shouldn't be cursing into your thing.
I love how you got the dog and the rabbit in, like, generally the right space.
That's some bullshit.
You do realize that this is still being recorded regardless of...
Yeah, I know.
So you're mad that you couldn't get in the right spot?
I'm mad because I thought they were in the exact same orientation and they weren't.
Yes, they are. It's still tilted.
No, the bull.
Oh, the bull. Oh,
yes.
That's what you meant. Sorry. I thought you meant the tilt.
No.
I'm sorry. Also, why would I give you a test where all the answers are in the same exact place as they are on the map? I'm sorry. Can I have my pen back? I'm gonna pay $60 for this damn pen. But thank you for your help. Oh, shit.
My name is not Nelly.
Thank you for the help, Kelly.